guardianship, what are you going to do? When we consider ourselves planners in general, but once we started having children, I think it became critically important, at least to me, probably to you as well, that we plan for our children's future. We plan for the financial future, not only of our children, but of our state and our loved ones and family members, etc. And so we, not knowing anything about it, or just, little bits that you hear and read, we had investments here and investments there. And we ended up one rainy day, just going to one of Christina Haynes' law group put on a thing for children, where they explained to everybody the process and how easy it was and that sort of thing. And even though it seemed very daunting, and we had talked to a lot of different lawyers, and we had estate planning lawyers and professionals, financial professionals, etc. Something just struck me, and I'll let my husband explain to him why it maybe struck him. But to me, I think as Christina was speaking, I thought right then and there, I thought she's the right person for us, because she was not just expecting people to ask questions that they knew about, because sometimes you don't even know enough to know that you don't know enough. To even ask a question or formulate something. But she was able to put it into clear, concise terms, and she provided answers to questions that I didn't even know that I had. And I think that that was the reason why we decided to hire her. And I think for us, at least for me, she has made it so seamless for us, telling us, look, you don't need this, or you do need that. This part's going to be useful. That part is not going to be useful. And we're a very detail-oriented couple, professional, and I think we're used to completely and entirely understanding our fields. And we so many times we came up with questions that we thought, there's no way that she's going to be able to talk to us about this or advise us on it. And she did. She, every single time we felt inspired, we felt well taken care of, we felt that she was flexible, she didn't have a one-size-fits-all approach, super bright, super smart, and I think really was able to get inside our heads and our minds and help us find what our needs were and our goals were and what would suit us. And we are so happy that we have gone through this process with her. Like I said, we interviewed a few, and we talked with a couple of other lawyers, and it just, nothing seemed to hit us right. So we send all of our family and friends to her, because we just think that this has been the most, one of the most, I think, rewarding, if you can call it that, processes, or something that you have to do, which just seems like an overwhelming, daunting task. So I have nothing but the best things to say about our experience and our approach, and I think we got more than we ever could have dreamed or planned out of this process.